Hello traders, in this video we are looking at the stealth indicator for MT4. This indicator is designed to give trend and momentum information in a more subtle, noise-filtered way, helping you see directional bias and potential shifts without overloading your chart. I'll load the indicator on the chart so you can see how it looks in real time. Let's proceed. The stealth indicator typically plots a smoothed line, band, or on-chart color states that changes according to its internal assessment of trend and momentum. As you can see in this sub window below, when the display shifts into its bullish state, often green, which is a particular color for this indicator, or upward bias line, it visually implies that buying pressure is dominant and the market may favor upward movement, as we can see at the start here, followed on the main chart by an upward movement or momentum. And when it shifts to its bearish state, using a contrasting color, red in our case, or downward biased line, it implies that selling pressure is in control and the environment is more favorable to downside moves, as you can see here and over here. Because it aims to filter small fluctuations, the stealth indicator tries to highlight only more meaningful directional shifts while leaving minor noise in the background. Now, if we move over to its settings, we have the SMA period and LSMA period, and from 0, which controls the smoothing or how much data is used to determine trend and momentum, influencing how responsive or slow the indicator is. Now, this allows you to fine tune how easily the stealth indicator flips between bullish and bearish states, adapting it to various or different time frames and volatility conditions. These visual options let you customize colors and line styles, so the stealth trend state stands out clearly without cluttering the chart. And who is it for? Stealth indicator is suitable for traders who want a cleaner trend and momentum filter that minimize chart noise, including intraday and swing traders who prefer a more subtle view rather than many overlapping indicators. It's a visual analytical tool only and does not execute trades. Unlike any smoothed trend indicator, can lag at turning points and give false directions in choppy sideways markets. It should therefore be combined with additional confirmation methods such as price structure, support and resistance, and risk management instead of being used in isolation. Now you can find the download link in the description below. You can also read more about the stealth indicator MT4 and see examples at the Forex Geek. Remember to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss future educational videos.